Hi, this is Jamel with Cherche Kennels in beautiful Statesville, North Carolina. I am so excited to introduce for the first time a stunning mini tricolor Bernedoodle boy we have for sale. This is Mr. Green of Mary and Zacchaeus. He was born November 29th, so he's just starting his training in the Puppy Training Institute. We give him at least a couple weeks to be able to give us his normal and his natural personality, and so we know his personality very well. His research score is 878, 8 being that he is very dependent. He's one of the first to come, the last to leave our side. He loves everybody and anybody. He loves to be held. He loves to be with people. His tail is a motor. If I just start talking to him, he gets so excited. He is just an absolute sweetheart, so enjoyable to be around. On the activity scale, he's an 8 out of 10. He is outgoing, but he's not high energy or hyper. He's not out of control, but he's definitely more outgoing than he is calm and laid back. One of the best things we love about him is his confidence. He is one of the most confident puppies in the litter. He is not shy, not timid, which is a tendency of anything Bernese, and he is very confident. We believe he's going to do incredible in his training. The other thing we love about him is his size. He is the smallest boy in this litter, and this is a mini. We obviously did not breed Zacchaeus and Mary all by themselves. We had to do surgical insemination, and because Zacchaeus is 13 pounds, Mary can step on Zacchaeus and kill him. So it's just not a great pairing. I don't think they've ever even met each other yet. So it's a very unique combination. And we had to work hard at keeping these puppies alive because they were so small compared to a regular Bernese Mountain Dog. And he's the smallest in this litter. Now it's always hard to judge the size of a Bernedoodle litter because you don't know where they're going to be. But typically you take the parent size, Mary, which is 78 pounds, the dad, which is 13 pounds. You add them, you divide it by 2, and then you compare them with amongst the litter size. My best guess is he's going to be 25 to 40 pounds. If I had to put a number on, I'd say 34 pounds. But he could be 5 or 10 pounds either way. It's a little bit difficult to tell, but he's going to be about the smallest F1 Bernedoodle that you're going to get because you have a regular size European Bernese Mountain Dog, which is a little bit smaller than Americans, and then you breed him with a small miniature poodle, and he's tricolor. This is the first tricolor Bernedoodle miniature litter that we've ever had. We have tried to produce it, and we've had bicolors, but we've never had tricolors. And you can see he has that beautiful white on his chest. It's not a lot, but he's definitely tricolor. And this is the most popular, but the most difficult color to produce. We had to get a phantom poodle to produce it, and he is just stunning. He has a beautiful blocky head, and boy, he's just a healthy boy. Now, he's able to go home after graduating either Puppy Academy, which is training till 12 weeks of age, which is February 21st. The second training level is our most popular training program called Canine College. That's training till 16 weeks of age, which is March 21st, first day of spring. Now, it's the most popular training program because one, they'll have all of his shots, so you don't have to quarantine him. Secondly, his potty training. They'll be able to hold the restroom twice as long at 16 weeks than at 12 weeks. And the third reason is obedience commands. They grow the most between the ages of 10 and 16 weeks of age. So many puppies are up to 3 times better obedience trained at 16 weeks than at 12 weeks. The third training level is Master's Program, training till 20 weeks of age, which is April 18th. And the fourth training level is Doggy Doctorate, training till 6 months of age, which is May 29th. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of both parents, Mary and Zacchaeus. If you click on those pictures, a video will play where we summarize each of the parents. There's 2 things that make us different from any other Bernedoodle breeder in the world today. The first thing is the quality of our parents. Notice that both parents have all of their health clearances and come from generations of health clearances. Also notice that all of our Bernese Mountain Dogs are imported in from Europe. We wanted to get the healthiest Bernese Mountain Dogs with the greatest genetic diversity and show champions possible. So we imported in from Europe, and you'll see that with the parents. The second thing that makes us different is the Puppy Training Institute. What I'd like to do is to summarize the Puppy Training Institute. We're going to show off some of our normal graduates in the program. Now, we can't really show him off because he hasn't started training. If you do want to see what puppies look like and act like at the different training levels, go to our Puppy Training Institute page. There's a video of every training program, and you will see puppies that have graduated every program, and you can see what they look like and what they act like. But right now, I'll summarize the program, and I'll let you know what you need to do to reserve him after that. Our Puppy Training Institute has 4 core areas. There's a couple areas that are very visible that we're going to show you on camera with the puppy that's for sale. Some of the areas are a little bit more difficult, but the one area that's very visible to show is outside training, and the big part of that is leash training. Puppies love the pull, love the tug, love to cut in front of you, and so we train them to walk on our left side. We train them that when we stop walking, they do what's called an auto sit. That's where they automatically sit without being told, without having any hand signals. They automatically sit. That builds respect and focus on you. A couple other areas in outside training it's a little bit harder to show is car training, and then also swim training when the weather's warmer. The second area that's very visible is obedience training. All of our trainers are certified dog trainers that's been training dogs for years. They know what they're doing. They're all certified. They all can do Canine Good Citizen. They're all very good trainers, and we work on the obedience commands of sit, down, stay, come, place, kennel, and they are trained extensively in all of these areas. Now we have 3 different communication tools we use with the puppies. We use hand signals, we use words, and then we use the training lead that we will provide you. And so as they get older, they get better and better. They can hold their stay longer, they can hold their place longer, they can hold their kennel longer. They can do it with both hand signals and words only, and so they get better and better. The place is when they jump up on the Kurondicott. You will definitely want to buy a Kurondicott because that allows the transition for our training to go to you. It's a wonderful command. When we say kennel, they go into their kennel on their own volition. We typically keep the door open, especially as they get older. And we train them, they cannot leave the kennel or really any other door until they are released. The 2 other areas that's a little bit more difficult that we're going to show you just generic dogs going through this. The one area is house training. We actually spend more time in house training than all the other areas combined. That's about 2/3 of the training, and this is where we work on the most important area of potty training. Of course, we're training them not to use the restroom inside and the signal eventually to go outside. A puppy at 12 weeks of age can typically hold the restroom about 1 hour during the day, whereas a puppy at 6 months can do 4 hours. The same thing is with crate training. We train them to sleep at night in their crate, eat in their crate, and a 12-week-old can typically sleep around 4 to 5 hours without having to be let out, and a 6-month-old, it's 6 to 10 hours. So obviously the longer they're in training, the longer they can be crate trained. We also, though, while they're in house training, we train them not to jump up on us, not to chew things in the house, not to bite our hands. It's very extensive. And then the last area is socialization training. Many people worry about getting a trained or older puppy is that they won't bond. Well, because of our socialization program, our puppies bond very quickly. In fact, we've never had a client complain about that. And so in our socialization, we're training them not to be afraid of thunderstorms. We're training them not to be afraid of the hair dryer, of the blow dryer, of a vacuum cleaner. We have a TV in our puppy training area, in our house training area, where we're socializing them. They go on field trips when they get older. We work extensively on them being handled. We have 20+ people that work for us, so these puppies are handled by multiple people and they're socialized extensively. That is our Puppy Training Institute. Now, if you're interested in Mr. Green, read through this entire page. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see pictures we just took of him. Right above those pictures are the prices for each of the training levels. Now, some people have a hard time finding prices, so in this video, we're going to show you where prices are found on a typical page, but the prices you see in this video are not necessarily his prices. And then if you want to reserve him, right below this video, there's a link that says click here to fill out puppy application. Click on the words puppy application, fill it out. We will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time to visit Mr. Green of Mary and Zacchaeus' litter. Thank you so much, and God bless.